Hey QVC family, it's Taylor Hook, pro artist for Anastasia Beverly Hills, and in this video, I'm going to show you some of our must-have products for spring. Let's get into it. So I'm going to show you how to color stripe so you can find your perfect shade match. Taking brush 18, I'm going to stripe shade 200W on my jawline, pulling down through my neck. Next is shade 210N. And finally, we have shade 220N. Just so you know, W stands for warm, N stands for neutral, and C stands for cool. Next, we are going to blend the edges to see which one diffuses into the skin the best. As you can see, the shade 200W blends in with my skin the best, so that is my perfect shade match. Next, I'm going to show you how to apply. Apply Luminous foundation with brush A30, starting at the center of the face. This dome-shaped kabuki brush is ideal for applying Luminous foundation because you can stretch the foundation all over the skin, buff to blend it in for an airbrush finish, and stipple the brush over any areas where you'd like extra coverage. Luminous foundation is a medium coverage luminous foundation for a beautifully radiant complexion. This weightless and moisturizing formula has instantly masked imperfections and discoloration while still looking natural and radiant. Next, I'm applying powder bronzer in the shade Rich Amber to my forehead, cheekbone, jawline, and nose to add definition and warmth to my complexion. Start by picking up a small amount of powder bronzer on a large fluffy brush. I'll always tap off the excess on the back of my hand to ensure there is not too much powder on the brush. You can also bring your powder bronzer down to the neck and chest area to maintain a cohesive bronzed appearance. Liquid lipstick is the perfect product to finish this look. Liquid lipstick is a full pigment liquid lip color that dries down to a weightless matte finish. The doe foot applicator hugs the lips perfectly and delivers precise and easy application. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. You can find all of the products featured on QVC.com.